fact that we're going to have 3 of the loudest kicker builds in the history of kicker at Slamology.
I know, and I'm so excited.
And I got to tell you, these 3 gentlemen that are going to be there with their builds, they have spent way more than they are getting in product, in assistance from Kicker. And this is a big part of the secret, is that you're not getting something for nothing.
Right.
It's not free. You're spending your own hard-earned money. You're spending your time, your resources, your family time.
Absolutely.
And then Kicker's helping you. So we're not just passing out free products.
Right.
It's a partnership.
Right. And I learned a lot of that with SEMA builds in the early years of Gage. I've had 9 vehicles that have been either personally owned, company owned, or people that have had me help them to get it. And I helped get sponsorship, and I kind of came on as project managers on a few different things. And even those owners, when I tell them, I'm like, well, we're only getting a 50% discount. And they're like, well, we should get for free. Well, no, we're not giving them that type of value. We're not giving them. You're asking for $60,000 in equipment. They're willing to sell it to us for $30,000, but you still have to make it. Nothing's free. You're going to spend that in gas. You're going to spend that in travel. And in the early years, we had a few really good sponsors that would say, hey, we're going to give you the equipment for free, and we're going to pay your gas to get here, but you got to pay for your hotel or whatever. So when in my early years of business, that was my sale, as I was selling Gage Magazine and selling that concept. And then I'm like, I can't afford to get to Vegas. How am I? I would look at my wife and go, we have to be at SEMA. We have to have a presence at SEMA. I don't know how we're going to get there. So I'd get to work, or I would tag along with another company, or do whatever I had to do to get the job done. And again, like I said, you have to marry your own concept.